guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is what I eat in a day video, and I think you all must have seen some of these on YouTube. Since I got so many requests for this, so I thought why not let you guys know what I actually eat in a day. So if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. Now I really don't eat a lot, but I have to keep a check on the amount of protein and the amount of water that I'm consuming each day, and I take around 3 meals a day, 3 proper meals a day and 2 small snacks sort of in between the meals, and I wake up around 7 or 8 in the morning and I have this thermo flask and a glass just next to my bed so that I can have hot water in morning. The moment I wake up, I take around 2 glasses of hot water. It really boosts up my metabolism, and I really don't know, well, each day when I wake up I don't know, but I feel a lot of thirst, whereas I don't feel any sort of hunger that time. Now after that I do intense home workout, which is my morning ritual and my favorite part of the day, and after the workout I feel starved a lot, and for the breakfast I try to keep it really simple and less oily so that I can feel energized throughout the day and not bloated either. And nashte mein I almost every day I take a big chila, suji chila, and I try to add a lot of reds and greens into it, and along with the suji chila I eat dhaniya ki chutney, that is coriander chutney, but it isn't fixed as such. It can be either pudina chutney or maybe tomato chutney depending on my mood, and I eat one big chila every day, and that too really slowly. And one pro tip here, that eating slowly is a way to avoid overeating, and please add full attention to your food and avoid using phone and watching TV at that time. This would make you feel full and avoid overeating at the same time. I eat lunch around 2 to 3 and I eat a very small portion of it. So between the breakfast and lunch I take a small amount of snack sort of thing, as most of the time in between that particular time I either edit my videos or pictures or I work on the scripting part, but most of the time I shoot in the morning, and that make me starve a lot again. And for that recipe I just make some egg crumbs and add my favorite vegetables. It can either be cauliflower, chopped tomatoes, soya beans, mirch to it, and then I add that fried portion to the sprouts, that is moong and chana. And to increase the taste quotient I add a little amount of chaat masala to it. That is a perfect protein package, but you can even add chopped onions to it, but I usually don't do that as bad mouth odor is a huge turn off for me. So this recipe is really tasty and very healthy at the same time, and very easy to prepare. After that, for my lunch I eat a very small portion of it, and that portion includes 2 rotis along with a bowl of any seasonal sabzi jo bhi mummy bana de, and also a big bowl of tadka dal. And I also add a spoon of ghee to it to add into the taste quotient. And earlier I was a huge chawal lover before I started gymming, and these days I'm completely avoiding it, which is a big toll on my heart. So in evening around 5 to 5:30, which is my second snack time, most of the time I chill around this time along with a bowl of fruits, and that can be either apple, bananas, grapes, oranges, any seasonal fruit. And I think we all should include fruits in our diet. That is the best thing for our skin, and what we eat appears on your skin. It's not always about the cosmetics that we use, so we can completely rely on fruits, and it would somewhere replace the pani puri and samosa cravings in the evening. And then the last meal of the day, and it's dinner time, and I eat my dinner around 9 to 9:30. And for my dinner I take 2 rotis again along with a bowl of sabzi and a bowl of egg crumbs, that is anda bhurji. And on Sundays I pamper myself, as that is my cheat meal day, and on that day I eat non-vegetarian food as my dinner, and that can be chicken, mutton or fish along with 2 rotis again. And I'm a huge non-veg lover. I love chicken, I love mutton, and yeah, and other than that I try to keep my dinner really simple, as we all have to keep a check on the digestion, as it's another thing that we all should keep in our minds. Now finally, before going on to the bed, I drink a big mug of milk along with 1 or 2 spoons of turmeric. And I know turmeric milk tastes a little off to some people, but I love turmeric milk a lot. It helps a lot in boosting up the immunity and makes me feel energetic at the same time. One more thing which I eat on nights when I have some work late night, I am a night owl, so this usually happens around 3 to 4 days in a week. And for the night time I keep some bhuna chana and roasted peanuts with me. Either I make a peanut chaat sort of by mixing bhuna chana, roasted peanuts, chopped tomatoes, lemon squeezed, chopped onions and dhania patti and mirch, and peanut chaat is ready. And other than that, on nights when I feel a bit lazy to chop tomatoes and stuff, on that night I just mix bhuna chana and roasted peanuts, and that's it. It's really simple and tastes amazing. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please comment down what you eat as a midnight snack, and please subscribe to this channel. I pyar you guys. Bye bye.